Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm now at 81 subscribers and I appreciate it a lot. 81 might not sound a lot to you guys, but to me it is a big deal because I've worked hard for that 81 subscribers. Okay, so today is supposed to be the upload of the part 2 of Do you want to visit Europe but you don't know where to start? Videos. But unfortunately I was unable to film. I have the content and everything, but I was unable to film because I'm preparing for photo shoot on Friday, and so today I was busy doing hair. I'll just show you a picture here of what I was doing. Yes, and so I couldn't it's not just today, it's a process, you know, like going to the studio, making an appointment, everything. So it takes a lot of time, plus I had to work otherwise, and so I couldn't. But I promise you by Thursday I'll upload the video. But because I want to label myself as Miss Consistent, so I'm recording this to just tell you that on Thursday I'll be uploading that other video, part 2 of Do you want to visit Europe but you don't know where to start? Yes, on Thursday I'll be uploading that. So please understand me and stick with me, and I'll upload that on Thursday. But thank you for subscribing, and listen, just share the page, share the channel, because I'm covering whatever. I'm a new YouTuber and I don't know what my niche is or what my topic should be, so I'm just sharing with you guys whatever I've experienced and I think might be useful for you. Okay, so thank you for sticking around, thank you for subscribing, for those who have shared, and yeah, I'll see you on Thursday. Okay, thank you my lovelies. Mwah. Bye.